like this, Monkey Paw Face back with another review with my buddy, my producer, Cast Productions, Ken.
Hey.
And I'm Lewis, your host of Monkey Paw Face. What we got for you this week? We got the Gaming Grades Scout Trooper with electronic staff or whatever you call it. But remember, as I grew up as a kid with Star Wars, my favorite was always the Scout Trooper. I loved it because I just liked the visor, the look of the helmet. I loved the speed bikes. Scout Troopers were always my favorite. Always.
They still can't hit the side of a barn.
As you saw in the Mandalorian, they couldn't hit a cup 5-8 feet away.
2 feet away.
Is
this working?
Yeah. No, you just suck at truth, bro. But there's a reason why they're speed bikes, not rifles, because they suck. But always my favorite trooper, loved them. This is a GameStop exclusive with that old Block Series packaging. They haven't moved to new packaging. I do like that blue though. That light baby blue type of look. I love it. And the Scout Trooper we saw has stripes. So it's a little bit different. I like it. One of my favorites. We're going to open this up and talk about it and give it a score. Alright, we're back. We got this.
You scared me.
You
scared me.
I said we're
so
back.
excited.
So excited that we got the Scout Trooper Gaming Great GameStop exclusive open, put together. I like it. He's on the fence until I give him the facts. He'll change his mind. At the end of this video, watch. So, he has a holster with the baby gun that they always have. I think they were going to point this, but every Scout Trooper they've ever made comes with that little baby gun. We'll show it to you.
I kind of want to give it to Baby Yoda.
A very cool hold. A very cool hold. But, you know, I want to go off topic for a second. Been watching The Mandalorian Season 2. There's 4 episodes out, right? 4?
Yeah, I haven't seen 4 yet.
So there's 4 episodes out. I have a small complaint. By this time, in Season 1, we've seen Baby Yoda use the Force twice.
Yeah, he ain't really helping out.
He hasn't done a fucking thing in this season. He's ate a bunch of eggs. I don't care.
Which people have a problem with.
And it's like, you have a problem with a fake character eating fake eggs.
That weren't even pollinated yet. I just want to put that out there. They're just eggs.
But you're okay with us eating chicken eggs, caviar? Come on, people. Lighten up, it's a fake character. But anyway, he hasn't helped out yet. Like episode 2, season 1, he lifted the big mud horn. That was episode 2. Episode 4, he healed Grief Karga. And it's like, what has he done in this episode besides...
What have you done for me lately?
Right,
Nothing.
Right. But he's ate spiders, he's ate eggs, and that's it. Like, I don't get it. Show us some force.
I wanted to see him pick up one of those spiders and have all his legs.
Yeah, just rip it out. But anyway, back to Scout Trooper.
Spoiler alert.
I guess we should have said that before. But if you're watching this, I'm going to assume you're on that level that you stay up till 1 a.m. to watch it, standing mountain time. But I do. So I like it. But anyway, so back to this. I like that it has the stripes, it has a backpack, has a little, I don't know what you call it, electro rod. I guess they hit.
Electro Billy Club?
Yeah, but I mean, the figure itself, I like it. I would like to army build this thing so I could recreate some Mandalorian, because they do have a figure coming out with the Baby Yoda as a satchel. So you get a couple of these, one of those, boom, you can recreate that scene. Photography, so awesome. But let's talk about the articulation. You have the double elbows, you have the double knee joints, you have the ankle rockers, everything has all the articulation you need. But they show this tiny gun in that little holster. If you haven't seen Scout Trooper, there you go. It's right there. That is, you could probably give that to Baby Yoda and he could shoot Baby Spider with it, I guess. So awesome. I like it. I'm a fan of the Scout Trooper, so always, that little backpack, his straps, I like it. This is one, like I said before, one of my favorite troopers out there. Right here. This Scout Trooper, such a great figure. But, as I said, it's a GameStop exclusive. So, if you're going to pick this bad boy up, it's $25. I kinda hate that you can only get the gaming grades at GameStop because they charge that $5 extra for a figure. You can't price match it because
it's not sold anywhere else.
Yeah, so you kinda screwed.
But for your other figures, remember to price match.
There you go. But, yeah. So I'm going to give this a 7.5 because I love the Scout Trooper, but I just feel like it's a useless figure without the speeder bike. I think they should have did it as a double pack with the bike, charge $30, and you get both. That would be a great idea for me to get more of them. But, Ken, what would you rate it?
I'm a 6.
6, huh? What is that?
I don't think he can even hold the gun. He probably can. Like a lightning effect on the Billy Club moves around. If it's gonna be there, just be there. I don't know.
No.
I'm not impressed, but I still like Star Wars figures.
I still like it too. I will say that if you saw this side, this I guess water type thing kinda hinders the movement of this arm. If you can see this right here, it's I don't know what that's supposed to be, but it's there. It does kind of limit that range of motion, so, but I still like the Scout Trooper, always a fan of it, but 7.5.
I do like their helmets.
I do like the helmet. I would like a replica helmet. That'd be cool. So, what would you guys rate this figure? Love to hear from you. Comment below what you think about it. So, as always, like, comment, subscribe. There's tons of links below with information in our Facebook. We can't wait to hear from you guys. Till next time, characters, happy hunting.